Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for subscribing and commenting very beautiful comments. Thank you for appreciation. So today another question from JEE Main based on indefinite integrals. How to find integral pi over 12 if integral of x equals to 6 over sine square x into 1 minus cot x whole square respect to x if given that integral of x equals to 0 equals to 3. Let us write the integral x equals to 6 over sine square x to 1 minus cot x whole square. So arranging it in this form, sine square x I can take as sine x minus sine x into cot x whole square. This equals to 6 over sine x minus sine x into cot x equals to cos x. So cos x whole square dx. Or further changing into tan function, I can write this. This is tan x dividing by cos x minus 1 whole square into 1 by cos square x. Same as your 6 sec square x tan x minus 1 whole square. Taking tan x minus 1 as t, sec square x dx equals to dt. So we are getting the integral 6 dt over t square equals to minus 6t plus c, or this will be negative 6. It is not 6t, 6 over t by tan x minus 1 plus c. So finally we are getting integral x equals to minus 6 tan x minus 1 plus c, or this can be written as 6 over 1 minus tan x plus c. Given that integral x equals to 0 equals to 3, so let me put here, so it will be 6 over 1 minus tan 0 plus c equals to 3. So this equals to 6 over 1 plus c equals to 3, or this constant equals to negative 3. To find integral pi over 12. Pi over 12 can be written as pi by 4, pi by 3 minus pi by 4. So tan pi by 12 equals to tan pi by 3 minus tan pi by pi by 4, that equals to tan pi by 3 minus tan pi by 4 plus tan pi by 3 into tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1, we know. So this is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 1 plus root 3. So if we'll rationalize this, so tan of pi by 12 equals to root 3 minus 1 is 1 over root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 over 2, that will be 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. This is 2 minus root 3. So you can remember these values so that you can do very easily or fast in the entrance examination. Now integral of pi by 12 is to 6 over 1 minus tan pi by 12 minus 3 was the constant, so it will be 6 over 1 minus 2 minus root 3 minus 3, that is equals to 6 minus 1 root 3 minus 1 minus 3. So simplifying, I'll get 6 minus 3 root 3 plus 3 over root 3 minus 1. So this will be 9 minus 3 root 3, 3 minus 1, rationalizing. Because it is a MCQ type of question, you have to rationalize to get the final answer, because this answer may not be in this form. So this will be 9 root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus 9 plus 9. So this will be 6 root 3 over 2. Answer is 3 root 3. So thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.